Hey there, welcome to our tutorial on how to switch your Twitter profile to non-governmental and non-profit organization on PC. Let's get started with the simple steps to make this change. First, click on your profile image located at the top right corner of your screen. This will lead you to your profile settings. Next, find the button in the top right labeled Edit Profile and click on it. This will allow you to make changes to your profile. Scroll down until you see the option to Edit Professional Profile. Click on this to access more detailed settings. Now click on Category to specify the type of profile you want. Search for non-governmental and non-profit organization, and select it to align your profile with this category. Once you've made your selection, don't forget to click on Save to apply the changes to your Twitter profile. And there you have it. You've successfully switched your Twitter profile to non-governmental and non-profit organization on PC. Now your profile accurately represents your organization's mission and values. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more tips and tutorials to enhance your social media presence.